If you trade stocks, this video could save you from the most expensive mistake most traders make. The institutions moving millions of shares per day all use one line as their benchmark. Not RSI, not MACD, one line. And their order flow creates automatic support and resistance at that price every single session. Here is how to trade alongside them. Institutional algorithms are programmed to execute large orders near VWAP to minimize market impact. This creates self-fulfilling support and resistance at VWAP on virtually every liquid stock and ETF during market hours. Here is what this looks like on a real chart right now. Look at today's live chart. I am going to show you exactly where VWAP is sitting right now and whether price is above or below it before I explain the rules. Here is the problem costing most intraday traders and scalpers trades. Retail traders use price and moving averages to find entries. Institutional traders, the ones moving millions of shares per day, use VWAP. Volume-weighted average price is the average price weighted by volume at each level. Institutions use VWAP as their benchmark. If they execute below VWAP, they beat their benchmark. This means every institutional order manager in the world watches VWAP every minute. That creates self-fulfilling support and resistance at VWAP that you can trade. Here is the exact framework. 3 rules any chart, starting today. Step 1. If VWAP is on your intraday chart and price is above it, only take long trades. If price is below VWAP, only take short trades or stay flat. This one filter removes 60% of bad trades. Step 2. If price pulls back to touch VWAP in an uptrend and forms a bullish candle, enter long. Stop goes below the low of the VWAP touch candle. Target is the session high. Step 3. If price bounces to VWAP in a downtrend and forms a bearish candle, enter short. Stop above the VWAP test high. Target is the session low. Step 4. If price is more than 1.5% above or below VWAP, it is extended. Do not enter. Wait for the return to VWAP. Extended moves snap back hard and fast. Screenshot those rules right now. Those are your exact conditions before you touch any trade. Here are the exact rules. Write these down. Rule 1. Price above VWAP is bullish intraday bias. Price below VWAP is bearish. Rule 2. The best long entries are pullbacks to VWAP from above. The best shorts are bounces off VWAP from below. Rule 3. VWAP is most reliable in the first 2 hours of trading and the last hour. Rule 4. If price reclaims VWAP after being below it, that is a bullish signal. Losing VWAP is a warning. Every large fund that needs to buy 500,000 shares of SPY uses algorithms to spread orders throughout the day, benchmarked against VWAP. When price dips below VWAP, thereby algorithms automatically accelerate. When price rises above VWAP, sell-side algorithms accelerate. The result is that VWAP acts as a magnet throughout the session. You are trading with the flow of institutional order execution. I am going to pull up today's top mover and show you exactly where VWAP is sitting right now and what the current positioning is telling us. Here is what the tape looks like right now. AMD is up 4% today, the biggest mover on the tape. Check this name on the 5-minute chart right now. Where is price relative to VWAP? That single relationship tells you the intraday bias and where the institutions are positioned. I am using today's live chart to show you exactly where these levels appear right now. The annotations are mapped to real price structure so you can see this in a live market, not just theory. SPY opens above VWAP and makes a new high by 10 a.m. By 11 a.m., a pullback touches VWAP at 472.30. A bullish pin bar forms on the 5-minute chart right at VWAP. Volume surges. A VWAP bounce trader enters long at 472.50 with a stop at 471.80 to 70 cents of risk. Price rallies back to the morning high at 475.40. A 2.90 point gain. That is a 4-to-1 reward to risk trade off a single VWAP bounce. Here is your takeaway. VWAP is the institutional price level. Trade bounces from it in the direction of the broader trend. We post the VWAP levels and key price zones for SPY and top movers every morning in Discord. Come trade institutional levels with our group. Link in the description. If this gave you one edge today, hit like and subscribe. I drop one setup every Sunday. Trade smart, trade disciplined,